Want to make your files smaller and easier to share or store? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress files using 7-Zip. We'll create an archive, choose the right format and compression level, and even add a password if you need extra protection. So let's jump in. First, open File Explorer and find the files or folder you want to compress. You can select one file, multiple files, or an entire folder. To select several items, hold Ctrl while clicking each one. Next, right-click your selection and find the 7-Zip option. From the menu, choose Add to Archive. This opens the main compression settings, where you can control exactly how the archive is created. At the top of the window, you'll see the archive name and location. Give your archive a clear name, like Project Files or Photos Backup. You can also use the Browse button to choose where you want the finished archive saved. Now choose the archive format. 7-Zip is the native 7-Zip format and usually provides excellent compression. Zip is a good choice when you need compatibility with computers that may not have 7-Zip installed. Next, choose your compression level. Normal is a good everyday setting because it balances file size and speed. If you want a smaller archive and don't mind waiting longer, you can choose a higher compression level. For a quick archive, fast or fastest can save time. If the files are private, you can protect the archive with a password. Scroll down to the encryption section, enter your password twice, and select AES-256 encryption if the option is available. Just remember your password because you may not be able to recover the protected files without it. Everything is ready now. Click OK, and 7-Zip will start compressing your files. The progress window shows the current operation, and once it finishes, you'll find the new archive in the location you selected. To check it, look at the new archive file and compare its size with the original files. You can also open the archive with 7-Zip to confirm that all the files are inside. Yeah, that's a quick way to make sure everything worked, and that's how you compress files with 7-Zip. Use 7-Zip format for strong compression, Zip for wider compatibility, and encryption when your files need extra privacy. Pretty simple once you know where the options are.